Good morning, all of you. I am your science teacher, and today I am going to teach you science IIT. From last few videos, we will study of our fourth chapter of science IIT, that is light, shadow, and reflection. In this chapter, we discussed on the different things and different topics of this chapter. Today, we continue with the same chapter from the next topic, that is periscope. What is the topic? Periscope. We already discussed in the last topic of this chapter, mirror. Here, where mirror is used to see the objects. What is periscope? It is a device which is used to see the objects which present on the above or below level of observer eye. Okay, suppose observer eye is here and object is here, or maybe or it is if the another condition, if object is below the observer eye. So in the both cases, this device is used to see the image of these objects. Okay, so in this uh, in this device, we use a hollow tube, a band that bent twice at the both ends, and we use two mirrors at the 45-degree angle. Okay, both are arranged parallelly in this tube, and you see same as this picture, where object, then the periscope, first lens which is present, first mirror that is near to the object. This is the mirror object, we also say it. So the image of this object is see in this mirror, and in this mirror the image of this object is laterally invert. We already discussed. Lateral invert means the left of the object is see in the mirror, in the image right, or the right of the object is see in the image left. Okay, so this type of image is called lateral invert. Okay, so that lateral invert image is see in this another mirror. So again it invert, and why our see we see the object without lateral inversion? Because here the right of the object become left in this, and again this in another mirror the image is again invert, and the right of the object became, or we see right. Okay, and we see the object by this periscope. Okay, so it is a very uh, common and useful device. Okay, so first we discuss on some lines. Periscope consists of open and long hollow tube which bent twice at right angle, at the right angle at both ends, and the two mirrors be fixed which face each other here and here parallelly be arranged. Then light move from the object or reflect from the object to the this lens, and a fixed angle at 45 degrees Celsius it reflect again and see to the reach to the next mirror B, and from the reflection from this mirror the image of object we see by the eyes. Okay, then some important terms related to the reflection. We already discussed what is reflection. So in this picture we see some important terms which is used in the reflection. Okay, it is a plane mirror. Suppose it is a mirror, a plane mirror which is a smooth and reflecting surface. When any light incident at a point, this point is known as point of incident, because light incident on that point and reflect from here also. Okay, so the ray which is incident at a particular point, this ray is called incident ray, and reflect from the same point, this reflected ray, this is incident ray, and after bounce back it called reflected ray. Okay, so at the point of incident, imaginary line we image, that is normal at point of incident. We imaginary perpendicular uh, we thought, and this imaginary perpendicular is called normal of incident point. So when incident ray is incident at a point of incident, and from the normal it form a angle. This angle is equal to the angle of reflected ray which form towards the normal of incident point. Okay, so these are some important terms. Always angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. Angle of incident I, and reflection of angle of reflection R, both are equal. So OA, what is OA? OA is the incident ray, and OB is a reflected wave, and ON is a normal at point of incident, and angle I is the angle of incident, and angle R are the is the angle of reflection. So some these important words we can define. Given below are some important terms related to reflection. First one is reflected ray. So what is reflected ray? A ray light falling on a reflecting surface like mirror. A ray light falling on a reflected surface. This ray is called incident ray. And reflected ray, we know that the reflected ray, the ray of light that bounce off the reflective surface and return to the same medium. The light incident on a point from this medium and bounce back to the same medium, not enter into another medium. Okay, so this ray after reflection is called reflected ray. Normal, you know that a imaginary line that is perpendicular to the surface of point of incident is called normal, and point of incident where light is incident at a particular point, this point is known as point of incident. Okay, where it incident ray strike and bounce off, this point is known as point of incident. And angle of incident is found between the incident ray and normal. The angle which is present in between the incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle between the normal and the reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Okay, today this chapter is finished, and from tomorrow we start our new chapter. Okay, I hope you will understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Good luck.